Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to recover your tagged account. For this, first of all, open up your app. As you open up your app, tap on the continue with email option, or you can do this through Facebook, and then tap on login. Now after this, simply type in your email address. Since you do not remember the password, tap on the forgot your password option below the login option. After this, Tagged will inform you that it will send a certain link to your email address that you've mentioned above in order to reset your password. So tap on the submit on the upper right corner. After that, now you'll have to simply go and check your email. So here I'm going back and checking my Gmail if there is any information that I've received from Tagged. Now I can simply tap on reset password. After I tap on reset password, I'll just choose Chrome. And then now I'll be directed towards a page where I can create a new password. So here now I'll have to enter my new password. So I'm just going to enter my new password. And then confirm the new password by retyping it again. And then tap on save. Then tap on OK. And here, as you can see, you've been logged into your tagged account in your browser. So once you go back to your tagged app, you can again log in by simply entering your password that you just changed. So once my tagged app opens, I'm just going to tap on continue with email, then log in, then enter my email address and then the password that I just changed. So after that, I can simply tap on login. And here, as you can see, I have been logged into my tagged account. So in this way, I've been able to recover my account even though I'd forgotten the password. So this is how you recover your tagged app. I hope this video has been useful to you. If you like the video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel.